So let's look at how to make this fried rice. Who said it's only chicken that you can be used for fried rice? Come with your chair and check out how I did this fried rice. I just removed the chicken, which I also need the stock. So after removing, I just added all the ingredients which you are also seeing on the screen. And at the end, rice is coming in. Remember to add curry to your stock. So the rice has cooked and I'm trying to let it dry a little bit. And after that, bring your frying pan. Add a little oil. You can see the quantity of oil I added here. Now is another beef I just added. Carrot comes in, green peas comes in different shapes, and then I also added a little bit of sweet corn and then start turning it, a kind of frying it. But this frying doesn't take time, so I have fried and removed it. I also got another frying pan, add the previous things I fried, and then added the rice and then fry it a little bit. You can see it's ready. This rice is oilless fried rice, very nutritious, very delicious, and very healthy. Can you see? And then you can make use of any beef of your choice or meat of your choice. Thank you so much for watching.